Oh, you too. It's good, man. It's your boy Kari here. Back again with another video for y'all. I'm about to head over to the gym real quick for a little workout. So I had some people ask me to do a video about the gym. So here we go. Go ahead, hit the like, comment, subscribe, man. Show your boy some love before he gets started. And yeah, man. So for me, my gym is about a mile away. So I usually will just jog over there or walk over there, whatever. So that's what I'm about to do. And then once I get there, I'll turn the camera back on and show you guys around. By the way, this is not like a normal like LA Fitness. It's more of a class type gym. It's not CrossFit, but it's just like a high intensity interval training. And they also have a boxing part. So I'll show you all that. So stay tuned to check out a gym in Colombia, in Medellin, to be specific. All right. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be right back. So YouTube, I was able to get some dope footage of a group working out today at the gym. So definitely you're gonna want to stay tuned to the end of this video to see that footage of people working out. You know, you got some girls in there, some dudes, whatever. But I think it's cool to be able to see what the classes look like. And this is how girls get fine out here. You feel me? They stay in the gym. Of course, they got their surgeries out here, whatever. Don't think they're not getting surgeries, but the gym is a big part of that. So yeah, man, some beautiful girls in there working out as usual. So stay tuned to the end to see the footage of a class in Colombia working out. All right, guys, let's go. While I'm here, quick view check, man. What a beautiful day it is today. I love how it's so bright on this side of the city. It's probably gonna rain later, but yeah, it's beautiful today. The streets are active. You know, the autopista is moving right along. So they were talking about a second shutdown, but doesn't look like this weekend is gonna happen. So all right, guys, I'm about to head down to the street and go to the gym. Peace. All right, YouTube. I just got here to the gym. I want to let you guys take a look at the outside. So, like I said, this is like a class-based gym where you take classes and stuff. It's kind of on this hill, which sucks because when we have to run up and down this hill. Alright, so let's step inside real quick. It's like 2:30. They have a 3 o'clock class, but it's usually not that many people in the 3 o'clock. So don't think there'll be a lot of people here today, but maybe after my class I can get some footage of the class after me. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Necesita...
Pero la clase empieza a las 4.
Oh, sí. Oh, fuck. Gracias. Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back at the gym. Finally. I want to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's on the hill, which sucks because when we run, we have to go up and down the hill. But yeah, it's in Poblado, right off of Avenida Las Vegas, which is down there. So I came earlier at 3. I thought there was a class at 3 on Friday, and there wasn't. So they told me to come at 4. They had 4, 5, 6, 7. They got class on Friday, so I came back, and here we are. Hold on. Basically, yeah. Basically about to get in. They also have like a boxing side. Hola. A las 4. Sí. Necesito mi temperatura.
Bacari, ¿me prestas tu cédula un momentico o tu pasaporte? 35.8, con lo que yo te registré.
So basically, guys, this is the box part of the gym. They got some rowers over here. They're pretty good. I don't really like this brand, Xbex. I prefer the Concept 2s. That's what I'm more used to. That's every gym I've been to in the past had those. But here you got like a dip bar, a few bikes. They got these sections for everybody to do their work. Got your pull-up racks, squat racks, your boxes, your TV, a board. Got your clock up there. Some rings. Gotta have the rings. A bench for everybody to put their stuff. Look at me, almost tripped on this bar. Our bars, they just got some new bars. These are brand new. New bars. Some plates, lots of free plates. A lot of stuff over here. Some more boxes. We got some pads, some kettlebells, some balls, some wall balls, some dumbbells, some jump ropes, and some bands. Pretty much everything you could possibly want in a CrossFit type gym. Then down there they got some bathrooms. I'll show you real quick because no one's really here right now. And they got office. Got some bathrooms over here. Some lockers. Pretty cool. Pretty good place to work out. I like climbing the ropes too. Let's see if I can get to the boxing side. They had it kind of closed off. It's locked. Alright. So I talked to her. She let me enter over here to the boxing side. So yeah, you got a little boxing ring. Anybody can get it. You can get knocked out. Just hit me up. Slide in the comments. Slide on Instagram. We could set it up right here. You know what I'm saying? Get on video. But yeah, it's cool. Blue lights make you feel like Rocky. So it's pretty cool, man. I never do the boxing classes. But I will one day. Right now, I'm trying to focus on some of my bar movements and all that. More CrossFit type stuff. But as you can see, it's pretty cool. Look how it's set up. Kind of low for someone my height, but yeah, man, take a look at that. That's a cool gym, right? Lots of boxing bags, punching bags, and then a little ring over here. So I've seen the classes over here a few times. I've watched. They pretty much just do their activities in the squares, just like the CrossFit stuff. So you got your gloves over here. Yes, sir. So if anybody wants to work, get at me right now when we touch down in Medellin, and we can handle it. So with that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy making it, of course. I enjoy doing everything for you guys. And gotta hit this to get out. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and let's continue to grow the channel. Yeah, wish everybody the best. Definitely get out and exercise and move around, guys. Follow me on Instagram at kari.hq. All right, peace out. I'm about to go get it in.
Bye.